at all the noise. Look at all of the noise. What's it sound like to you? What does it sound like to you? What's it sound like to you? What does it sound like to you?
I mean, what's going on in the world today?
The government of the people.
A president
By the people.
sending troops into the street,
For the people. Is perishing from the earth.
but there's nothing that even warrants it.
You know it's up to you. You know it's all up to you. Sometimes it's up to you. Sometimes it's all up to you.
Ask not what you can do for your country.
His crypto dealings
Ask what your country can do for you.
are the worst conflict of interest in the history of the presidency.
What's it sound like to you? What does it sound like to you? You know it's up to you. You know it's all up to you.